Good afternoon. 37 states are reporting increases in COVID-19 cases over the past week. As you mentioned, Illinois, not one of them, really kind of just remaining steady at the moment. But Illinois leaders are keeping a close eye on the numbers. Some of the first states and cities to open up now seem to be paying the price.
We have never had as many people infected or infectious. We have never had as many recorded positive cases each day. And we've never had as many people in the hospital.
The governor of California now ordering all indoor businesses to once again shut down, including restaurants, bars, movie theaters, and museums.
We were able to suppress the spread of this virus. We were able to knock down the growth of this in the beginning. We're going to do that again.
No statewide orders in Florida just yet, where on Sunday more than 15,000 cases of COVID-19 were reported, the most ever for any state over a 24-hour period. Yesterday's numbers weren't good either, more than 12,000 new cases. The governor there getting questions from more than just the press.
You guys have no plan and you're doing nothing. Shame on you.
Oregon and New Mexico also rolling back their reopenings as the virus continues to spike.
In Georgia, I hate to say it, but it looks like we're going to be even worse than we were in the spring if this transmission continues at this rate.
She's already issued another stay-at-home order. The mayor of Houston is proposing a 2-week shutdown.
I think it's important to reset. We have to slow down this virus.
So far, Illinois cases have remained for the most part steady. Only a slight uptick in cases and in its positivity rate since indoor dining with limitations was allowed.
And watching very closely the states in the South and the West that are struggling right now. We see a sustained upward movement of numbers. That's something that is an alert for all of us in the governor's office and in our administration to begin to look at the mitigations that we need to put in place.
The city of Chicago also keeping a close eye on those numbers, as well as a close eye on the numbers of people that are going out to indoor restaurants or dining indoors anyway and going out to bars over the weekend. They shut down One West Loop Bar for violating capacity as well as not keeping social distance inside the bar. And they also cited at least another 6 bars over the past weekend. We are live this afternoon. I'm Eric Rung, WGN News.
Thank you, Eric.